its front end user to stronger accessibility is the capability. I think capability. Yeah. So thank you very much. So now it's the Philippines. Your turn. We see Nang.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, fellow delegates to the Ideas Expo, fellow panelists, our moderator, Dr. Lien, colleagues from the ASEAN member states and our partners from the Republic of Korea. It is my pleasure to share with you the Philippine experience in supporting women-led MSMEs in the digital economy. In the Philippines, women play a significant role in entrepreneurship and in driving local economic development. However, many women-led MSMEs continue to face barriers or challenges in fully participating in the digital economy. Among the key challenges are limited digital skills and e-commerce capabilities, limited experience in online selling and digital marketing, the need for continuous mentoring and business advisory support, and the fast-paced technological changes that's happening that requires entrepreneurs to adapt, to constantly adapt and learn new things, especially with the constant change that we are experiencing in technology. To address these challenges, our Department of